Come test drive the 2016 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, heads-up display, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Come take a test drive today.